This is the non-meteorologist reporting. There appears to be a slight chance of snow. Yeah, there's a pretty good chance, I think, that it may snow. Okay, given the circumstance, there's a really good chance that it's going to snow. All right, I'll update you with more unusual facts in just one moment. I'm noticing some white precipitation on the icy side that could be, only could be, snow. We'll find out more at our next broadcast. There appears to be a relatively decent chance that this is snow. But there will still be some analysis before I can conclusively say that this white precipitation falling out of the sky at 32 degrees will snow. Ouch! Go find your parents. I'm sorry. This is the non-meteorological weatherman. I'm now prepared to report that it's snowing. Yes, I was hit by a snowball by a 4-year-old child. Yes, a rambunctious child. At least 4 years old. He was about 5 foot tall. Yeah, I saw him coming. That's the extent of my experimentation and exploration. But I can confirm that this is snow. This is the non-meteorological weatherman signing off.